red balloon and a picture of... What's in the picture?
Moon.
And there are 3 little bears sitting on chairs, and 2 little kittens and a pair of mittens.
No, gloves.
Oh, and 2 gloves, and a pair of gloves, and a little toy house, and a young little mouse, and a comb and a brush, and a bowl full of mush.
And a bowl comb.
Oh, a bowl of corn. And a quiet old lady.
And a bowl comb.
Bowl comb? Okay, and a quiet old lady who was whispering, hush.
And eat us and cool butterflies.
Yeah. Good night, room.
And it's moon.
Good night, moon.
It's moon. And it's purple moon.
Good night, light.
And it's light and night purple moon.
And good night, red balloon.
And it's light moon.
Good night, bears.
And it's moon.
Good night, chairs.
And it's taste, not birds.
Good night, kittens.
And it's taste.
Good night, mittens.
And it's golf.
Oh, good night, gloves.
And it's golf.
Good night, clocks.
And it's cook.
Good night, socks.
And it's duck.
Good night, little house.
And it's their house.
Good night, mouse.
And it's mouse.
Good night, comb.
And it's cold.
Good night, brush.
And it's bus.
Good night, nobody. Good night, mush.
No, and it's cool.
Good night, comb. I thought it was oatmeal.
Yeah.
Oh, good night, oatmeal. Good night to the old lady who was whispering, hush. Good night, stars.
And it's trash. And it's yeah. And it's soon.
Good night, stars. Good night, air. Good night, snow. Good night, noises everywhere. You need it? Can Sissy play with it? Look at, she moved all the way over here. She was way over there.